From 92 to 65. This is a secret I'm going to share with you, how I lost over 25 kgs in just 4 months. And I know if you clicked on this video, you're just thinking, can you just give me the answer straight ahead? Is it broccoli a whole month? Is it eggs a whole week? No, I am not here to share you about a diet of keto, of intermittent fasting, of vegetarian, of that. Those are, they are good, but that is not the reason why I am sharing with you today. Today, I'm going to unveil the secret for you to lose weight. And I promise you, this will be the last video that you will watch concerning weight loss, because you will lose weight any time of the day and you'll be able to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Let's begin this video. And my name is Winnie James, and I love that you're here, that you clicked on this video. Let's talk about mindset, because most people don't tackle the mindset, and I don't know why we don't think about mindset when it comes to weight loss, because when it comes to finances, we want to change our mindset. We run the books, we buy the books, we listen to podcasts about the mindset to change the way of our finances. But we neglect the part of losing weight. We just think it is an ASAP thing. Let me tell you, mindset is key, because once you change your mindset, it becomes easy to lose weight. What is mindset? Mindset refers to the correction of beliefs, attitude, and perception that shapes how a person interprets and responds to situations. It influences how people think, feel, and behave in different aspects of life. According to psychology, there are two types of mindset. One is fixed mindset. The fixed mindset thinks of unchangeable things. They think, I cannot change this. This situation is unchangeable. These are the people that will tell you, I have tried everything and nothing is working. Yet they tried maybe 2 days, maybe 3 days, and then they are like, this thing, it is not working. The other one is the growth mindset. The growth mindset people, they think that this thing can be changed with resilience, with determination. They can change things. So this growth mindset, these are the people that you hear them say, it was not easy. I tried keto, I tried this one, because you will hear people say that intermittent fasting worked for me, and the other one will say it did not work for me. And I know those diets are very okay, but I did not follow any of those ones. I'm here to tell you, you don't need to go and look for any diet, any single diet that has been put out there for you to lose weight. This is what will change your life, the growth mindset. Because the growth mindset tells you, if I do with resilience, that is why you will find someone going to the gym today. They can't lift 5 kgs. They try with one. Tomorrow they try with one, and then they fail. And then in a span of 3 months, they have been able to lift even 20 kgs, because with the way you push yourself, when you push yourself, you are pushing you elevate your progress, and then you're able to achieve your goals. How do you change your mindset, or how did I change my mindset? There are two things involved. One, you're either raised in scarcity or in abundance. What do I mean when I say scarcity? I mean not that you're sleeping hungry, not because you do not have food. I mean that you had the basic food. Like for me, where I was raised, we would eat the basic food. We had food for every single day, like the ugali and skuma. And then we have the holiday food, like the chapatis, the bread. Those are the things that you will see mom preparing in the kitchen when we have visitors that are coming in. But when I grew up, I was able to afford things like sausages, things like bread every single day, now, and the sugars and everything. So now, when I would go to places, because now you're big, you're able to interact with other people, you're going to functions, maybe you're going to a wedding, birthday party, and all those things. When those things were presented to you or to me, I would eat, because I don't know when I will eat again. And that is the story of most people who come from Africa, and especially in the village. I come from Kenya, And that is the story of most people, because we thought that we did not have enough. That was the mindset. So when now you are exposed to this world and you go to the birthday parties, you go to the ratio, you go to such events, things that you did not grow eating and seeing, you start feasting on those things. So you would go and see people that are eating 10 slices of bread, they are taking too much chapatis, because they still have the mindset that this thing, I don't know when I will get it. So they will just feast on these things. So even when now they become grown up, they are not able to tame that mindset, or the scarcity mindset. They are still innate. So that one leads to weight gain. Why? Because now we are not active as how we used to be active. All right. And then there is another one that is abundance mindset, or abundance background. These are the people who are raised with pizzas, with sausages in the morning. And when we would see that lifestyle, we thought that is the rich mindset, that is the rich lifestyle that we want. But when I came now from this side, when I want to get grapes is more expensive than the pizza. So you get that the healthy lifestyle, it is a thin line when now you're living in that abundance lifestyle. Because now if you're raised from the abundance, what we see and we think it is abundance, then now coming down to eat sukuma wiki or the cucumbers, you feel like, why am I eating like a poor person? Because the mindset that was put and instilled in you is that food is for the poor. That food is for the poor. It is not for the rich people. And that is abundance. And you are told, rather, the way you were raised, you are like, we are eating the sausages. So the neighborhood, when the kids come to visit your place, they are like, hey, they want to eat the sausages, because them, they are raised in scarcity environment, and you were raised in the abundance environment according to the mindset of people. So now you start thinking that eating like that, it is eating like a pauper, and eating sausages in the morning is eating like a king. It is a thin line between those two. And now the internet, or people who have done researches about nutrition and eating, they have now started labeling the sausages, the chapatis, the breads like evil food or bad food. So you're like, now when I was being raised, I did not eat these things. How are you telling me now that I will stop eating what I know it is for the rich and start eating like a pauper? Or how are you going to tell me that I have been brought up in abundance, and now you want me to start living like a poor person because I saw them being raised and eating those things? So now losing weight becomes difficult. So how do we fix this? One thing I say, there is no good food or bad food. Moderation is key. If you eat grapes, you eat too much of it, you will gain weight. Why? It has sugar. It is only healthy if you eat in portions. Remember, weight loss is not, losing weight is not the end of the road. You want to have a healthy lifestyle. And how do you live a healthy lifestyle? Because a healthy lifestyle, including it is inclusive of mental health, physical health, spiritual health. It depends on what you worship. I worship God. It is all those inclusive, and also eating healthy to have a healthy body. Are you sleeping enough? Are you giving your body? Are you nourishing your body? Because the way to balance scarcity and abundance, it is moderation. Once you are able to tackle this, you are good to go. And what is moderation? If you eat on a big plate, the dinner plate, reduce, and you want to lose weight, replace the dinner plate to a side plate. Even with that, your mindset is telling you that you're losing weight. So you will eat still small food, enough the plate. You will not fill in the plate. That one will help you from the beginning. And don't look at the scale, that how many kgs have I lost, how many kgs have gone. No, focus on nourishing your body, the how you feel, the how your energy is. The other thing that will help you, I would see sausages, I would see cakes when I go to meetings, when I started my journey, and I would ask myself these three questions. I will stop, feel, and then act. So what does that mean? When I stop, I look at what is on the table. That is the cakes and whatever is on the table. And then I feel inside, do I need this? What will this do to my body? What is my day? How have I eaten? As in, what did I take in the morning? What do I plan to eat in the dinner? So that I will know what exactly to put on my plate. Because keeping a journal will help you big time. Keeping a journal, it is like keeping a diary. This one will help you big time, because you are planning your meals ahead, like you are planning to nourish your body. I hope this video helps you. My name is Winnie James and I'm a health coach. Like, subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comments section. Love you, and I love you so deeply. See you on the next one.